Now we'll start with the study of one of the most important endocrine glands, that is pancreas. As it can be seen from the figure, pancreas is an organ that is located within the abdomen below liver that helps in the digestion process. Thus, pancreas is located in abdomen, which is an oblongated and yellowish green structure. This pancreas functions both as an endocrine and exocrine gland. Definitely the exocrine nature of the pancreas we have studied before. The exocrine nature of pancreas occurs because it secretes various pancreatic juice, which is in the form of definitely digestive enzyme, and helps in the digestion process. Since we all know that the pancreatic juice that is passed through the pancreatic duct is a gland that possesses duct, and so this pancreatic juice passes through the duct gland. And that is why it is known as exocrine gland. On the contrary, the endocrine nature that we are going to study in this topic is that it secretes hormones and proteins like insulin, glucagon, directly into the blood. That is without any duct. And since it is a ductless gland, pancreas is considered as an exocrine and endocrine gland. This property refers to the endocrine nature of the pancreas. Now we will study that what are these pancreas basically made up of. The basic unit or the cells with the help of which this pancreas is made is called islets of Langerhans. Thus, islets of Langerhans are the cells that together constitute the pancreas. These islets of Langerhans occur in about 1 to 2 million in number that forms the entire pancreas. Now this islet of Langerhans basically constitutes three main types of cells. First, alpha cell, second, beta cell, and third, delta cell. These cells are symbolically represented in such a manner and alphabetically they are written in this form. This structure depicts the microscopic view of pancreas, that is the cell of islet of Langerhans. As it can be seen from the figure, it possesses three cells, that is alpha, beta and delta cell, and also possesses ducts which helps in the digestion process by secreting digestive enzymes. Now let us study in brief about the endocrine nature of the pancreas, that is the function of each of the cells of islet of Langerhans. So first of all, let us begin with the alpha cell. Alpha cells basically secrete a peptide hormone known as glucagon, which generally occurs in liver cells. The main function of glucagon is that it helps in increasing the blood sugar and blood glucose level. Within the body. Therefore, it is very obvious that this secretion of glucagon occurs only when there is fall in the blood glucose level within the body. However, glucagon is considered as hyperglycemic hormone. Because it exhibits two processes, that is gluconeogenesis and glycogenolysis. These two processes help in increasing the blood sugar and blood glucose level in the blood. Gluconeogenesis increases the blood glucose level and glycogenolysis increases the blood sugar level. This increase in the blood sugar or glucose level is known as hyperglycemic condition. Sorry, this is sugar. And that is why, since it helps in increasing the glucose and sugar level within the blood, it is considered as the hyperglycemic hormone. This was all about the alpha cell. Now let us start with another topic, that is beta cell. Beta cell secretes hormone insulin. The secretion of beta cell is totally opposite and functions opposite to that of the secretion of alpha cell, that is glucagon. Insulin mainly acts on liver cells and adipose tissue. Insulin helps in decreasing the blood glucose level. That is, it is totally opposite to that of the function of glucagon. Therefore, a proper maintenance of the two secretions, that is insulin and glucagon, is made in order to maintain the blood glucose level. This decreased blood glucose level is known as hypoglycemia, and therefore this hormone is also known as hypoglycemic hormone. Insulin exhibits process known as glycogenesis. In this process, conversion of glucose to glycogen occurs. And that is why the excessive glucose that is produced gets converted to glycogen, and thereby the glucose concentration decreases and therefore glucose level is maintained by the proper amount of secretion of both hormones, that is insulin and glucagon, that is secreted by beta cells and alpha cells respectively. However, deficiency of this hormone, that is insulin, causes a disorder called diabetes mellitus. Definitely it is a type of diabetes that can cause damage to kidney, vision and blood circulation. This was all about beta cell. Now, the last type of cell, that is delta cell, constitutes about 5% of, of the all cells, that is all three cells. It secretes hormone known as somatostatin. The function of this hormone is that it inhibits the growth hormone and its function. Growth hormones means GH, that is a part of secretion of anterior pituitary gland. Thus, this was all about the pancreas. Now let us understand about the second type or second endocrine gland, that is gonad.